Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best fuel injector cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. It's a bit more expensive compared to other recommendations on our list, but the price is worth it if you want a clean engine. It will reduce the emissions of your vehicle, helping it run smoothly and even improve the power and mileage. This recommendation also stabilizes the fuel when you don't drive your car for longer periods of time. 1 can of this fuel injector cleaner is to be used on 20 gallons of fuel. It works on any vehicle with a gasoline or diesel engine, 4-stroke or 2-stroke. The company claims you can expect to see an average fuel economy improvement of 3.2% and even a horsepower gain of 2.6% on average. Moving on at number 4. We have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. This is one of the most popular fuel injector cleaners available in today's market, and it comes from a well-known brand. In fact, it's often recommended by automakers as a solution for cleaning the fuel injection system. It works on lighter vehicles of all types, carbureted or fuel-injected engines. It will also work on your 2-stroke motorcycles. Just be sure to put lower amounts in the tank, as much as it says on the instructions on the bottle. According to the company, it will clean and restore the entire fuel system, including the fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Recommended usage is every 3,000 miles for cars and trucks, or right before an oil change. For engines that don't have a counter, like your lawnmower, use it as needed. At number 3, we have the OTC Tools Fuel Injection Cleaner Canister. Want something that is going to last and work on all of your vehicles? Consider the OTC Tools Fuel Injector Cleaner Canister. It is meant to project the cleaner directly at the fuel rail, giving you the benefit of precise cleaning of the injection system. It loosens debris inside the system, which then combusts and ultimately flows through the car's exhaust system. Since the canister itself is made out of high-grade stainless steel, it isn't vulnerable to rust and will keep working over the long term. It can hold 22 ounces of contents and deal with pressures as high as 30,000 pounds per square inch. With a well-structured cap, you can easily mix chemicals without risking spills or leaks. Potent and reliable, this fuel injection cleaning setup is suited to both personal and commercial applications. It warrants a mention that this item is the cleaning canister, not the actual cleaner, and requires a separate chemical to spray. Designed to enhance the effects of the injector cleaner, you can use it repeatedly and on all your different rides. At number 2, we have the Liqui Moly 2007 Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. The Liqui Moly 2007 Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner removes carbon deposits from injection and inlet valves, fuel pipes, and fuel distributors, and it's ideal for engines with catalytic converters. It's an excellent inexpensive product to use on older, sluggish vehicles. Jectron stops starting problems, hesitation, and stalling and promotes smoother idling and better throttle response. It is a low-pollution product that promotes environmentally sound combustion. Jectron also works to reduce fuel consumption and restore an engine's original performance by using accurate injector dosing and fuel atomization. Some users report they can actually hear a difference when the cleaner hits the combustion chambers. Overall, the engine should feel more responsive, stronger, and quieter after using this product. Some users, however, don't notice a difference in mileage after using it. And finally at number 1. we have the Seafoam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner. The Seafoam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner is an excellent choice because it's affordable and simple to use. It's designed to clean fuel injectors and improve injector spray patterns, which increase engine performance. The product can be used in all types of gasoline fuel injection engines. It restores fuel economy, reduces exhaust emissions, and lubricates upper cylinders. IC5 is available in a concentrated 5.25-ounce bottle and treats up to 25 gallons. It even works on capless tanks. When used regularly, IC5 can boost performance by preventing hard starts, rough idling, and hesitations. Users report that their vehicles drive noticeably smoother after using this product. Overall, it does a good job of cleaning the fuel injectors and the entire fuel system. Some people, however, don't notice a significant difference in fuel economy after using IC5. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.